Hi friends, we are back with motif number 22 out of the Irish Crochet book. This one here. This is what the motif looks like, and the diagram is right here. I'm going to pop it up on the left so you can follow along. I'm using some bright orange padding cord, and I've got some green yarn that I've got laying around to do the demonstration. I'm using a different colour padding cord to the yarn so that you can see what I'm doing. I do have a video up in this playlist explaining traditional Irish crochet, padding cord, why it's used, how to use it, what to use. Go and check that out if you're interested. Using a 3.5mm crochet hook. If you do follow along the video and you do find it helpful, please like, comment, please subscribe, just so that helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. Gonna go ahead and secure our yarn. I secure my yarn like this just by twisting it. Gonna chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go ahead and slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space, like so. Now we are going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double crochet into the center here. So double crochet. We need 10 double crochets in total. Your chain 5 space counts as 1. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. We're going to do a chain 2 in between. So double crochet, chain 2, 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 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch 3 chains up from that chain 5 space like so. That's the center of our wheel complete. We're now going to go ahead and add in our padded cord. So to slip the padding cord, I tend to just loop through the padding cord like so, and literally just chain 1 like that. I always keep the padding cord on the inside and the yarn that I'm working with on the outside. I tend to control the padding cord with the lower part of my left hand and control the yarn with the upper right part of my left hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to work 3 single crochets into these chain 2 spaces each around the padding cord. When we get to here, we're then going to add our loops. So I'm just single crocheting around the padding cord. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and I'm going to ignore this double crochet. I'm going to head on straight over to the next space and drop 3 single crochets in that space there, and I'm taking the padding cord along with me because I'm working around it. So again, 3 single crochets in the next space like that. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet. Your work should be looking something like this. I'm going to speed up a little bit until I get back to here. When we get back to the first space, we're going to slip stitch into that first chain space there. Again, take the padding cord with you. I'm just single crocheting around it like so. Now we are going to add the loopy loop bits, and we're adding a loop on top of every double crochet chain that we have. And what we're going to start off by doing is single crocheting around the padding cord, and we're doing 20 single crochets around it. So I've just done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We are now going to, in the next stitch, just slip stitch like that. Voila. Like that. And now we are going to do 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains. 1 and 2. And now we're going to repeat this pattern all over again. So I shall do one more with you, and then I will speed up the rest of the video. So 20 single crochets around the padding cord. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And in the next chain space, we're dropping a slip stitch, just like that. And 2 single crochets in the next 2 chains to get to the next double crochet space. And your work should be looking something like this. Voila. I'm going to crack on off camera, and then I'm going to come back and show you what the finished piece looks like, because the last few bits are ultimately a repetition. So we're doing the same thing 10 times on top of all 10 double crochets. Our finished final piece ends up looking something like this. Very nice, beautiful motif. You can add this into, I don't know what project you're working on, but it can be added into any Irish crochet project. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Now, to finish off the work, you must snip the padding cord and your yarn. Get a sewing needle or a darning needle and weave these ends into your work. I'm not going to demonstrate how to do this because I'm only making this piece for demonstration purposes and I don't want to waste yarn. But I certainly hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. Motif number 23 will be out soon. Have a blessed day and thank you for watching. Bye.